Hello.
Original or copy?
Not a copy.
Using.
Oh, yes, original.
Original, huh?
Yes.
Wait, نشوف كم صدقنا ولا.
What are you looking for? Which one?
ليش مستحيل? It is new or using?
Used, second hand.
Second hand.
Yes, used.
This one how much?
This one?
Yeah.
This one, I show your price. Wait a moment. This one, let me see. I have three.
How much?
Wait.
Give me one.
Do you want with paper or without paper?
With everything. With everything.
With everything, with paper and a box.
Yeah. How can I know it is original?
I can show you papers and a box.
For this. I want a clean one.
Okay.
How much it will be? Now price. Tell me. I need to know price. شو والله وايد رافع سعرها ولا normal?
This price with paper. RMB.
Why? Too
Yeah.
much. كم ناكل ذاك الوكالة؟
Cheaper or expensive?
إن هاي شو هي ديتونا هاي؟ هاي هالك صح؟
Where are you from?
Egypt.
Oh, Egypt. Oh, I know. 埃及 Arab 阿拉伯
Arab.
Yeah, 阿拉伯 Can you speak Chinese?
Too much.
你会说中文啊？
No Chinese.
你好，
啊，你好，
谢谢。
谢谢，
谢谢。
对，谢谢。
Too much.
Yes, too much.
Why?
Because I have big boss.
我信你个鬼！
ما في شيء من نبغى. Too much cost.
Okay, thank you.
خلينا نشوف هاي اللي عنده هني.
OK，bye。来自埃及的，看了一下就跑了。